Hello everyone, my name is Anisha Febrihandini with study ID number 2025328085. In this video, I will explain the statistic report contained in the Excel file that I created. The data I used is out data because my student ID number belongs to the out group. In the first part of the report, there is raw data consisting of 200 data values. The data was processed using Microsoft Excel to calculate various statistical measures such as mean, median, model, quartiles, decile, percentile, measure of variance, skewness, and kurtosis so that the data becomes easier to understand and analyze using Excel, and the results show that the maximum value is 199, while the minimum value is 6. The total number of data values is 200. After that, the range was calculated by subtracting the minimum value from the maximum value, resulting in a range of 193. The number of classes was calculated using Start's formula, and the result was about 9 classes. The class interval weight was approximately 21. After that, a frequency distribution table was created containing class, interval, frequency, relative frequency, and cumulative frequency less than and greater than. In the supporting table, there are also class midpoint values or values which are multiplied by the frequency to help calculate the group data mean. The total result of multiplied by frequency is 20,336. In the supporting table, there are also class midpoint values or values which are multiplied by the frequency to help calculate the group data mean. The total result of multiplied by frequency is 20,336. Mean or average represents the average value of all data, and calculation results show a mean of approximately 160. Median is the middle value that divides the data into two equal parts, while mode is the value that appears most frequently or the class with the highest frequency. In the measure of variation section, the spread of the data from the average value is calculated using the difference between the class midpoint and the mean. From this calculation, mean definition, variance, and start definition can be determined so that I can be seen with the hard the data is spread far from our class to the average. This table also includes calculations of the absolute difference, the square difference, and forward difference, which are used to determine data distribution and the bigness of the distribution. Quartiles are used to divide data into 4 equal parts so that the position of the data from the lower to the upper section can be identified. Decile divide the data into 10 equal parts so that the position of the data can be seen in more detail. Meanwhile, percentile divide the data 100 equal parts and are usually used to determine the position of ranking of data. And skewness is used to determine the shapes of data distribution, whether it is symmetrical, skewed to the right, or skewed to the left. Meanwhile, kurtosis is used to determine whether the distribution curve is more peaked off or flatter. Less than cumulative frequency show the total number of data from the first class up to a certain class, while greater than cumulative frequency show the total number of data from the last class down to a certain class. Cumulative frequency help in determining the median, quartile, decile, and percentile. From the entire data process, it can be considered that Microsoft Excel is very helpful in statistical data processing because calculations can be performed faster, more neatly, and more accurately. Through this report for various measures of central tendency and data dispersion can be identified, making the data easier to analyze and understand. That is all my explanation. Thank you for attention.